We're about to. Zach's about to party. Ryan has his shoes on, and it's about, I don't know, 7 in the morning, and we didn't go to bed. Maybe 7:30.
But Ryan passed out fully clothed, so he's about to get begged in the face with this thing.
Watch this. Wait, what?
You know, there is no fucking masks to smoke. The fuck you doing? Now, why's my fucking face right now? Oh, you're in it too, Zach?
I was the one that threw the shit out of you. You think Matt recorded it after it?
What happened?
I mean, Jerry threw it.
Jerry, quit acting like you're sleeping.
Now he's running in his sleep again.
Jerry's acting like he's sleeping.
That's how that shit got thrown at you. Jerry was running in his sleep and it just slipped.
What happened?
He's asleep again.
What happened?
He's already asleep again. That's sad.
What
I just hit him in the face with a cracker. He's asleep again.
Oh, so the truth comes out, motherfucker.
God damn it, he's not asleep.
I remember this, how much you fucking love your sleep, Zach.
You passed out with all your clothes on, including your shoes.
I know, motherfucker. I was tired and I was fucking drunk.
Yeah,
And I'm in the comfort of my own home.
but I'm drunk and I'm tired and I party. It's okay.
You also don't sleep with a gun.
I feel safe enough to where I shouldn't have to. Obviously, that's very wrong.
Okay, I'm sorry.
how do you-
I threw something.
I don't think you really sleep with a gun. I don't think you can sleep with a gun and an air mattress.
I've seen him sleep with a gun.
On an air mattress?
Nope.
I don't think you can do that.
Baby, you want to pop this thing?
Baby girl.
You fucked on that thing?
Duh.
Honestly?
Have you heard it? It's like. That's what it sounds like.
Are you farting?
That's what it sounds like when it's fucking.
Who have you fucked on?
No, Brian farted. I got that, by the way.
Ryan, who have you fucked on the air mattress?
Lady.
Lady? I mean, it's okay if you just fuck lady on the air mattress. I'm not gonna hate on you.
No. I'm trying to remember.
Trying to remember.
I think that's it for now.
And some wieners. Pretty sure There were some wieners in there.
Why are y'all up